Hey guys, what is up?
Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone is having an amazing day because I am as usual. And guys, we have massive news. Okay, Shibarium's close, but we still don't have an official date. All of you are excited and pumped up about a bone, which is good stuff. So let's get into it. Let's read. Let's figure out what is happening in the market now. I found this post which was very interesting. Someone said some people thought I was crazy when I said a bone would go back down over the weekend. Okay, so as you know, bone has been fluctuating up and downs, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, these are just small amounts of changes. It's nothing major. Okay, it's not the sort of change we're going to see when Shibarium comes out. That's going to be a massive change, and still it's very buyable. Okay, very purchasable at the moment. It's looking all very good. For those of you that have money, why aren't you taking any action? That's my question. Okay, but again, it's up to you guys. So let's just figure out what is going on here. What is this person saying? Bone got some buy the rumors, sell the news action like I predicted over the week, and that's normal. We should expect that because all big money and experienced investors were waiting on those CPI numbers to be released Friday morning so they could dump. They actually started unloading on Thursday night, leading up to the CPI numbers, and the numbers revealed inflation was even worse than predicted. So market dump. We who know that Bone, Shib, Leash and Shibarium can do need not worry, but hedge your excitement with realistic expectations, or you could trick yourself into selling and missing out on a life-changing investment. If Shibarium drops this down market, don't expect major moves in any token in the ecosystem, but we will see those major moves down the road if Shibarium works as it should once we get relief rally or the bulls take control of the market. We need a bull run for people to speculate and hype to see quick major moves. If we release during a rally, then expect two separate phases. Phase 1 is hype speculation, resulting in a major move up across all tokens, followed by a cooling period. Phase 2 will take some time, but consists of building out the ecosystem and people realizing the value, resulting in possibly even more upward movement on the charts across the ecosystem. Phase 2 is the ultimate goal. We don't necessarily need phase 1, although phase 1 is fun. Missing phase 1 most likely means we release during a down market, so ultimately it doesn't matter when Shibarium releases, as long as it works well and does what the dev said it will do. We also need our 1 million plus community to get behind it and use it. Even if half of us did it, no one would be able to ignore us. So Shib maxis need to get behind all the tokens if they want to see Shib increase in the future, because once Shibarium is released, their success will forever be intervened with the rest of the tokens in the ecosystem. I'm saying all this because these influencers get us all messed up, hyping everyone up so we can be disappointed later. They hype for views. I'm giving my insight for free because I want community to do well, not my channel. Okay, so that wasn't why we thought you were crazy. Another one said, I'm one of the patients who bought for 50 cents, and since then the price has been falling. Sometimes I think it's like a curse because this has happened to me several times, but yes, I can't change it, so wait and see. Drinking tea. Congratulations to everyone who waited and stayed patient. Just keep in mind that even 0.5 for Bone is an absolute steal. There are some who bought Bone at $15, $5 and $3 as it first began minting. Bone sat around $1 for a long time with many buys, hold strong. My original post was set people that even when they buy at the top of this cycle, they still got bargain prices, so don't be bothered when it goes down. The key is really the Bitcoin halving in 2024. Everything is lining up to be really explosive for crypto in 2024-25. If you're buying with that mind, you will win. Guys, this is very true, okay? Again, this is a long-term game, okay? And for those of you, as stated, that have bought Bone when it was in the dollars, okay? We're not talking in the cents. You still have a lot of opportunity, okay? Bone is predicted to go above 100. But you're going to have to be patient, okay? We're still waiting for Shibarium, where then we need to see how it works with Shibarium, how much it goes up. But the sky is the ceiling, okay? So there's a lot of opportunity, but it's a matter of being patient, being able to wait out the difficult time, okay? Right now, there's a lot of turbulence in the markets. I know everything is going, everyone is panicking, but it is okay. This isn't a massive issue, okay? Because eventually it all stabilizes, right? So another one said, thank you bro, I'm cool, because I don't buy that much. My plan to have 200 bones, but the thing was buying ETH and send them to wallet and convert. I never did that. That's why I had at the end just 147. But hey, I didn't want to be greedy. It's okay. What do you think about Bone? Is there any price which Bone could hit when all gets good for it? Another one said, Bone's upside potential is unfathomable, but at a $2 billion market cap, it would hit $27 to $28 per bone. Now, how likely do you think a token that controls one of the most active crypto communities in the world as the governance token serves as the gas token for its layer 2 blockchain and will be used as the base pairing token for liquidity trading can hit $2 billion? Taking into account its community token hit a $40 billion market cap in November's run-up. In my estimation, very likely and beyond in the future, I personally see Bone trading $200 to $300 in 5-10 years, bearing a black swan event. Not financial advice. Another one said, and I also take into account it may peak at $25 to $30 during its first run up and drop back down to $2-3 for many months to years before hitting new peaks over $50 and $100. There will be a major volatility, but the way I see it, anything that withstands the test and time, keeps building over the next 5 to 10 years, will make a lot of people a lot of money as we see mass adoption continue. Another one said, I bought at 0.52. I bought the recent top. And this is how investing works, okay? Let me just go back to this one. This is a very interesting point. Yes, it could go up very high and then could drop back down, but I think the overall picture, we're looking at triple digits, okay? So that's a very interesting point. Bone is going up. It's evident. I mean, I can barely find any negative comments. No one's pessimistic about it. Everyone is optimistic. The only debate is always about how much, where is it going? So let's carry on. Bone. It's all I've been hearing. Just check price and it's gone down. Don't worry, the op. When the market starts going back up, so does everything else. I have no doubt Bone will rise. I'll be DCAing until we hit a bull market, no matter how long that takes. I think 5 to 10 years time, Bone will be where BNB is today. BNB will be worth significantly more during that time period as well. 5 to 10 years, crypto will also be as valuable as Beanie Babies. I want people who was oversold at the exact time, and I was getting downvoted, and people were trying to argue with me saying people should buy it, lol. People also failed to notice the extensive bot trading that was going on. I saw it setting up for a correction back down to the 40s, hoping it dips back to the 30s. Money is made in the bear market. I saw someone ask, what was the news? Rumors started flying that this last Friday, how convenient for CPI numbers to come out that day as well. Something big was going to happen from Shibarium, be released to Shibarium, white paper will be released and lay out how important Bone is, okay? So last ones here we've got, it has nothing to do with being right or wrong all the time. The market behaves in patterns like the weather. You can't account for what's going to happen minute to minute in the micro, but macro will give you an overall forecast. Experience means something. So when you look at the macroeconomic factors happening in the world right now, you can say with great confidence what's going to happen overall. The CPI was high. People with experience knew everything was going to fall. Do your own research. You'd likely come to the same conclusions. Here's another prediction for you. We see another dip around Wednesday of next week when Jerome Powell speaks, taking a more hawkish stance on raising interest rates. Good luck. Literally only three things that could do? Go up, go down, or stay the same? 1 in 3 odds doesn't make you a prophet. Never claim to be a prophet. I just did my research. Look where we are now. Now, if you do, you'll likely arrive at the same conclusions I have. Okay, guys, so there's a lot of debating here, a lot of discussion. This is what I like to see, okay? This is what I'm trying to build up this community on this YouTube channel, okay? So we can also discuss this, so we can talk about it. This stuff is extremely important. This is what's going to take us that next level, and hopefully you're all paying attention. Now, in my opinion, I think Bone is definitely going to the moon. But at the moment, there may be some turbulence, okay? When the market goes down, everything goes down. Market goes up, it goes up. So don't panic, okay? Just because you're seeing some red, some negative stuff, it's okay. Again, that's another opportunity for you guys to buy in, to make some money. That's how it works, okay? Remember, the dips is the shopping season, the golden week for you guys to make that big bucks. So don't sleep on it. Be aware of everything that is happening. Really stay awake. The market is waiting for you guys, and there are so many opportunities. It is all becoming very, very good, okay? It's looking amazing. And yes, some people are going to say, well, it's going to go down next week. It's going to go up the other week. Guys, Bone is already quite low. How low can it go? Even if you predict that tomorrow it goes down to 0.20, well, it's okay. It's not the biggest issue. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter what happens before Shibarium. Unless you're taking action, that's what matters, okay? But all these little fluctuations, ups and downs, who cares? We are all waiting for the big thing. The big thing is going to be the big changer. The rest doesn't matter, okay? Really doesn't matter. And if you're just worried about a few cents, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, are you looking in the long term? Are you seeing the big picture? Doesn't matter. Again, a few cents up, a few cents down, it's all the same. We're going to be talking about hundreds of dollars later on. So why do you care if it's 0.32 now or 0.41 tomorrow? Same thing, okay? It's very, very similar, I'm telling you. Considering the fact that it has such a massive upside when it comes to price. Take that into account. Either way, guys, it's been amazing as usual providing you with this information. I love going through forums and reading what other people have to say. All this stuff is extremely important for the development, for your guys' knowledge. So make sure you subscribe, you like this video, share this video. Turn that notification bell on because you don't want to miss out any piece of information. Ladies and gentlemen, if you love Bone, if you love Shib, if you want to know about Shibarium, it's all here, okay? All here, so don't miss out, don't sleep on it. I am here providing you the raw information. Either way, guys, thank you so much as usual. Let's get out there, let's make some money, and I'll see you in my next video.